some of the things that you can do as of today. First of all is chunking these big scary tasks into smaller ones. In that way, you're not going to trigger a stress response in your brain and you will be able to focus. For example, instead of saying, I'm going to study for 10 hours today. This seems big and scary. Chunk it into 1 hour by one. So you say to yourself, I'm going to study for 1 hour now. That is less scary and less likely to trigger a stress response. Number 2 is intentional implementation. Know when, where, and what you would be doing. Because research studies has shown that humans are more likely to commit to a task if they know when, what, and where they would be doing it. For example, I can say Monday from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. I'm going to study French and I'm going to do it at the library. So I have when, where, and what in my calendar, and that is when I'm more likely to commit to it. Number 3 is the Pomodoro technique. You want to have a work interval and that is going to be followed by a break in order to give your brain some rest after being very focused. You can use 25-5, which is you work for 25 minutes and you take a 5 minutes break, or you can use longer, 50 minutes work and then 10 minutes break. You should experiment a little bit and see what works the best for you. And this will also depend on the task that you're doing, because if the task is a bit longer and takes more time to do, maybe it makes sense to have longer work intervals. Number 4 is to respect your ultradian rhythm. Research studies have shown that our brain can be highly focused for 1.5 hours, after which the focus significantly drops. If you try to push past those 1.5 hours, you're basically wasting your time and you're not being efficient. The best thing to do after 1.5 hours is to take a break. I talk about the ultradian rhythm in so many other videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with latest neuroscience research.